Lellobee Farm.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? A is for apple. Such a yummy treat. B is for a bumblebee. C is a carrot. My favorite snack. D is a dragonfly landing on my back. E is for Ella.
Hello, that's me.
And F is for my family. G is for good things, growing all day. H is for a horse. Neigh, neigh, neigh. I is for Izzy, who wants a hug. J is for a big old jug. K is a cute little kitten. Meow. L is Lettie the lamb. Wow. M is for our Grandma May. And N is a nest full of fresh eggs. O is for onion. Wanna take a bite? P is a pumpkin. Orange and bright. Q is what a duck likes to say. Quack, quack. R, hey, Rishi. Running on a racetrack. S is a scarecrow way up high. T is a truck driving by. U is for umbrella, keeping out the rain. V is for vegetables I eat every day. W is for worms falling in the grass. X is for X-ray fish making a splash. Y is for my cool yo-yo. Z is for zucchini, that's everything we know. If you wanna learn your ABCs, just go to Lellobee Farm, where good things grow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
But only 3 little ducks came back.
1, 2, 3.
3 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
But only 2 little ducks came back.
1, 2.
2 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
But only 1 little duck came back.
1.
1 little duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
But none of the ducks came back. Sad mother duck went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
And all of her ducks came back.
Another sunny day at Lellobee Farm. Lellobee Farm, Lellobee Farm.
Everybody join and sing along where little ducks grow.
Hi, my name's Ella. Today on Lellobee City Farm, we're having a boogie on the Boogie Barn.
Boogie, boogie off the boo-boo, boogie. Boogie off the boo-boo. You feel much better if you boogie off the boo-boo today. Okay. Heidi does a moonwalk dance. Her moves are smooth, but then by chance she trips and falls. Oh, what to do? Heidi's got a bad boo-boo. Just boogie, boogie off the boo-boo, boogie. Boogie off the boo-boo. You feel much better if you boogie off the boo-boo today. Okay. Pablo spins so very fast. He spins and spins, but will it last? He gets too dizzy, what to do? Apple has a bad boo-boo. Just boogie, boogie off the boo-boo, boogie, boogie off the boo-boo. You feel much better if you boogie off the boo-boo today. Okay, it's Ella's turn to dance around. She does the roly-poly now, but her feet got stuck. Oh, what to do? Ella's got a big boo-boo. Just boogie, boogie off the boo-boo, boogie, boogie off the boo-boo. You feel much better if you boogie off the boo-boo today. Okay, well it's time to dance for everyone. Do the roly-poly, it's so much fun. And if you fall, you know what to do. Boogie off your boo-boo. Hey, just boogie, boogie, boogie off the boo-boo, boogie. Just boogie, boogie off the boo-boo. You feel much better if you boogie off the boo-boo today. Okay, come on, just boogie. Hey, boogie off the boo-boo, boogie, boogie, boogie off the boo-boo. We boogie off the boo-boo on Lellobee City Farm. All right.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek.
5 little ducks play hide and seek all through the farm. Where can they be?
Look up there now, what is that? A duckling on your hat.
We found one, and that means there are 4 left.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek.
4 little ducks play hide and seek all through the farm. Where can they be?
I think I heard a little quack.
There in the vegetable patch. We found 2, and that means there are 3 left.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek.
3 little ducks play hide and seek all through the farm. Where can they be?
What's that I see? A duckling tail?
Over there behind the hay bale. We found 3, and that means there are 2 left.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek.
2 little ducks play hide and seek all through the farm. Where can they be?
I found a duck, she's not too far.
She's right on your guitar. We found 4, and that means there's only 1 left.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek.
1 little duck plays hide and seek all through the farm. Where can he be?
The flowers are shaking.
Something stuck. Oh look, the final duck.
We found all 5. Great job, you guys.
We're all together and we feel all right.
Hide and seek, let's play hide and seek. Lellobee, Lellobee, we play hide and seek. Hi, it's me, Ella. This is a song that you may know. It's all about a star. A little star. A little star that twinkles.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are above the world so high, like a red diamond in the sky,
come to Lellobee City Farm for a party.
Hey Ella, get on the bus. It's Christmas time. Hey Ella, get on the bus. It's Christmas time.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round
All day long. Everybody get on the bus. It's Christmas time. The people on the bus, let's wave our arms. Wave our arms. Wave our arms. The people on the bus, let's wave our arms. All day long. Everybody get on the bus. It's Christmas time.
Let's sit on the seat and swing our feet.
Swing our feet. Swing our feet.
Let's sit on the seat and swing our feet.
All day long. Everybody get on the bus. It's Christmas time. Come on, everybody, let's clap our hands. Clap our hands. Clap our hands. Come on, everybody, let's clap our hands. All day long. Everybody get on the bus. It's Christmas time. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Everybody get off the bus. It's Christmas time.
Welcome to Lellobee City Farm.
Down by the farm,
Down by the farm,
where the vegetables grow,
where the vegetables grow.
to Lellobee Farm.
To Lellobee Farm,
I love to go.
I love to go.
For when I do,
For when I do,
Grandma May will say,
Grandma May will say,
did you ever see a calf having a bath down by the farm? Down, down by the farm.
down by the farm,
Down by the farm,
where the vegetables grow.
where the vegetables grow.
To Lellobee Farm,
To Lellobee Farm,
I love to go.
I love to go.
For when I do,
For when I do,
Grandma May will say,
Grandma May will say, did you ever see a pig in a purple wig down by the farm? Down by the farm,
down by the farm,
where the vegetables grow.
where the vegetables grow.
To Lellobee
To
Farm,
Lellobee Farm,
I love to go.
I love to go.
For when I do,
For when I do,
Grandma May will say,
Grandma May will say,
did you ever see a lamb eat all the jam down by the farm? Down, down by the farm. Down by the farm. Down by the farm. Where the vegetables grow.
where the vegetables grow.
To Lellobee Farm. To Lellobee Farm. I love to go.
I love to go.
For when I do. For when I do. Grandma May will say,
Grandma May will say,
did you ever see a bee try to water ski down by the farm? Down by the farm.
down by the farm,
Where the vegetables grow. Where the vegetables grow. To Lellobee
to
Farm.
Lellobee Farm.
I love to go. I love to go. For when I do.
For when I do,
Grandma May will say. Grandma May will say. Did you ever see a cat in a cowboy hat down by the farm? Well, are you having fun with me here in Lellobee? Lellobee Farm. Lellobee City Farm.
Hey, are you sad?
A little blue.
I'll cheer you up. I know just what to do. There was a time when I was so sad. I dropped my ice cream and I was so mad. I started crying oh so loud. And watched it melting on the ground. What did I do? Well, I'll tell you. I oink, oink, oink like a piggy.
Oink, oink, oink.
I hop, hop, hopped like a bunny.
Boing, boing, boing.
I laughed, laughed, laughed all day long and sung my silly Billy little Lello Bello song.
There was a time when I was so blue. I kicked a ball and lost my shoe. The tears flew out just like a flood. While my shoe landed in the mud. What did I do? Well, I'll tell you. I neigh, neigh, neighed like a horsey.
Neigh, neigh, neigh.
I spun, spun, spun like a windmill.
Spin, spin, spin.
I love, love, loved all day long, and sung my silly, silly little bellow, bellow song.
Dance break.
There was a day when I was so low.
I had a flower that just wouldn't grow.
I started crying like a baby.
But then I thought, hey, maybe.
If I can smile just for a while.
I bark, bark, bark like a doggy.
Woof, woof, woof.
I dance, dance, dance like a monkey. Woo, woo, woo.
On Lellobee Farm, I laughed all day long and sung my silly, pilly little Lellobee song.
Hi, I'm Ella, and it's time for our Harvest Festival here on Lullaby City Farm.
Let's pick some fruit today, and some vegetables too.
Put them all in a basket. This is so much fun to do.
Potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and cabbage.
Oh, so many!
Apples, cherries, watermelon. Oh, we're getting ready for the harvest. Get ready for the harvest. Get ready for the harvest. On Lellobee Farm. Let's wash up all the food. Get it ready to eat.
Once it's clean, put it in a crate.
Put the honey in a jar.
Thank you, Bee.
Potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and pumpkins.
Oh, so many!
Apples, cherries, watermelon. Yeah, we're getting ready for the harvest. Get ready for the harvest. Get ready for the harvest. On Lellobee Farm.
Come on!
Time to set up a little stand. Tell all your friends to come by.
The Harvest Festival is on today beneath the bright blue sky. Oh,
Potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and cabbage.
Trick to treat!
Apples, cherries, watermelon.
now it's time to eat at the harvest.
Get ready for the harvest. Get ready for the harvest. On Lellobee Farm. Lellobee lullaby, Lellobee lullaby. Everyone go to sleep. After a day of fun on the farm, we rest our heads on hay in the barn. Tucked into blankets, sipping our milk. No more adventures, we've had our fill. Lellobee lullaby, Lellobee lullaby. Everyone go to sleep.
We're getting sleepy, closing our eyes, singing our soft and sweet lullaby. Hug your teddy tightly, turn out the light. Sleep in the glow of this starry night.
Lellobee lullaby, Lellobee lullaby. Everyone go to sleep. Everyone sleeping snug as a bug. Oh, but one cat who just needs a hug. What a nice place this farm can be, when all of our friends are soundly asleep. Lellobee lullaby, Lellobee lullaby. Everyone go to sleep.
flowers are cold, but before we take them inside, we thought we'd cheer them up with a song.
Well, if you're feeling sad and blue, I have just the trick for you. I'm not just a snowman, I'm a showman. Here we go, let's put on a show. Show. Let's put on a show. Show. Well, it's easy to put on a show. Just watch and you will see. Anyone can do it if they put their mind to it. Just follow along with me. Twirl your hat. Twirl your hat. Just like that. Just like that. Twirl, twirl. Twirl, twirl. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Yeah. Let's put on a show. Show. Put on a show. Show. Well, I'm not just a snowman, I'm a showman. Here we go, let's put on a show. Show. Are you starting to feel a bit better? Show. Well, you don't need fancy dancing shoes. You don't need tricks or spins. You can put on a show with simple farming things. Dance with a rake. Dance, dance. Dance with a shovel. Dance, dance. A wheelbarrow will do. Dance, dance. Here's a bucket for you. Dance. Let's put on a show. Show. Put on a show. Show. Well, there's one last thing that I'll show you. It's juggling with veg and fruit. You can juggle with 2 or 3 or 4. And if you're real good, you can juggle with more. Juggle. Juggle. Juggle, juggle. Juggle, juggle. Juggle, juggle, juggle. Juggle, juggle, juggle. Juggle, juggle, juggle. Now let's put everything together. Twirl your hat. Twirl your hat. Get ready to dance. Dance, dance. Juggle some fruit. Veg and fruit. I'm so proud of you. Woo. You put on a show. We put on a show. A Lellobee show. Yeah.
La 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 la.
We're gonna splish.
La 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 la.
We're gonna splash.
La 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 la.
Come on, jump in the pool.
We're gonna splish and splash. Splash! The sun is out. What do we say?
Hey, let's jump in the pool.
But before we make a splash, what do we have to do?
I know. Sunscreen, sunscreen. We have to put on sunscreen.
Yeah, rub, rub, rub. Rub it on while we sing our splashing song.
La 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 la.
We're gonna splish.
La 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 la.
We're gonna splash.
La 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 la.
Come on, jump in the pool.
We're gonna splish and splash.
Who can make the biggest splash?
Who can make the biggest splash?
Jump so high and splash, splash, splash.
Jump so high and splash, splash, splash.
Everybody in the pool.
Everybody in the pool. It's the only way that we can keep cool. Cool, cool, cool. La 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 la.
We're gonna splish.
La 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 la.
We're gonna splash.
La 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 la.
Come on, jump in the pool.
We're gonna splish and splash. Jump, jump, jump.
So high.
Splash, splash, splash.
So cool.
It's so much fun.
That's right.
In the pool. Said jump, jump, jump.
So high.
Splash, splash, splash.
So cool.
It's so much fun.
That's right.
In the pool.
We're splishing, we're splashing, we're playing and we're laughing. We're having so much fun, staying cool beneath the sun.
La 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 la.
We're gonna splish.
La 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 la.
We're gonna splash.
La 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 la.
Come on, jump in the pool.
We're gonna splish it.
La la la
Yeah,
la.
splash with me.
La la la
On
la.
Lellobee.
La 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 la.
Come on, jump in the pool.
We're gonna splish and splash. Fruity, fruity, fruity ice cream. Ice cream. Let's have an icy treat on a sunny afternoon. Come on now. Fruity, fruity, fruity ice cream. Ice cream. We'll make a flavor with your favorite fruit. Apples, apples, green and sweet. Mix them up for an icy treat. Scoop, scoop, scoop in a cold and yum, yum, yum. Come on now. Fruity, fruity, fruity ice cream. Ice cream. We'll make a flavor with your favorite fruit. Oranges from a tree. Mix them up for an icy treat. Put a scoop in a cone and yum, yum, yum. Come on now. Fruity, fruity, fruity ice cream. Ice cream. We'll make a flavor with your favorite fruit. Sweet bananas we can peel. Mix them up for an icy treat. Scoop, scoop, scoop in a cone and yum, yum, yum. Come on now.
perfect treat to cool you down. It's very hot in the sun, but eating ice cream is so much fun. Cherry, cherry, have we done that yet? Toss them in, see what we get. Scoop, scoop, scoop in a cone and yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Fruity, fruity, fruity ice cream. Ice cream. Let's have an icy treat on a sunny afternoon. Come on now. Fruity, fruity, fruity ice cream. Ice cream. We'll make a flavor with your favorite fruit. On Lellobee City Farm, where good things grow.
Hey, it's me, Ella. I've had a very busy day. I'm sleepy and ready for bed. I've just got time for one more song. Here we go.
The sun goes down on Lellobee. The stars are shining. You know what that means. Put away your toys.
No, no,
It's time for bed.
no, no.
If I cuddle you, will you rest your little head?
Yes, yes, yes. Let's go to bed.
It can be fun to read at night, but now it's time to turn off the light.
Put away your book.
No, no,
It's time for bed.
no, no.
If I cuddle you, will you rest your little head?
Yes, yes, yes. Let's go to bed.
There's something you must do before you go to sleep.
Get out your toothbrush and brush your teeth.
Let's brush our teeth.
No, no,
It's time for bed.
no, no.
If I cuddle you, will you rest your little head?
Yes, yes, yes. Let's go to bed.
I know it's fun to jump and play, but we have to save it for another day.
Let's get to sleep.
No, no,
It's time for bed.
no, no.
If I cuddle you, will you rest your little head?
Yes, yes, yes. Hey, I'm Ella. The animals at Lellobee City Farm don't know what school is, so I'm gonna tell them all about it.
School is really cool. Come to class today. School is really cool. We're gonna learn the Lellobee way.
First things first, sit up nice and tall. Listen up, it's time for roll call. Lettie the lamb,
Baaa. Carlos the cat.
moo.
Pablo the pig, Heidi the horse.
School is really cool. We're gonna learn the Lellobee way.
To start the day, we'll do a numbers class.
Just watch Pablo.
He's great at math. I've got some apples on the floor.
Come on, let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4. School is really cool. We're gonna learn the Lellobee way.
Oh look, it's time to have some lunch. Grab a healthy snack and
Munch, munch, munch.
Eating outside is really cool, but when you hear the bell ring, it's back to school. Come on!
School is really cool. We're gonna learn the Lellobee way.
Everybody sit and look.
The teacher's gonna read from a book.
It's story time, and soon you'll see that it's so much fun to learn and read.
Once upon a time in Lellobee, there was a really cool class underneath the tree.
School is really cool. We're gonna learn the Lellobee way.
It's time for arts and crafts, you see.
So everybody pick up some leaves.
We can use the leaves that we collected to make some pictures all connected. At school, you work with everyone. What
What's it like at school? It's so much fun! School is really cool. Come to class today.